have I been? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Brandy, and today I'm just going to film a video where I'm just basically talking and getting it all out there, letting you guys kind of know why have I not been on YouTube and uploading videos over the past few years. And I really feel like today is February 11th, 2020, and it's been a long journey for me over these past few years. But they have brought me to where I'm at now, and I will say that I'm a much stronger person than I was even a couple years ago. Everything happens to us for a reason, and I try to learn lessons out of it. And the main lesson that I've learned, really, and I tell the youth who are growing up, like, if you, and we all have a different path, and I feel like even though I haven't made it where I wanted to be in life, I'm still trying, but I also feel like it made me who I am today. It's a preparation for the future. So what I'm trying to say is I'm 41, and ever since I was in high school, I've always known what I wanted to do. I wanted to be in the fashion industry. I want to be an artist. I want to create. I want to bring that passion that's inside of me to the outside world and express myself and hopefully encourage someone to be who they are and always to be a positive role model. That's something I've always wanted to do. And when I look at my life right now, I would say that I am definitely proud of who I am. I thank God first and foremost for choosing me, and in return, me choosing Him. So I'm thankful for the journey, and I can walk alongside God, and I do know that He, like for example, today, He answered my prayer, really, so I can be right here today. Because, let's say, not this past Sunday, but the Sunday before that, that was the first Sunday in the past, 4 weeks in a row. That would have been the 5th week. So for 4 weeks, every Sunday, I would just be sick. Like, so sick to where I'm laying on the couch with a cold pack on my eyes or on my head from just an excruciating headache, or the pain is so bad that I'm vomiting. And that started about a year ago. Well, a year in January. So in December of 2018, what happened was I went to the dentist, and I just had a small filling that the dentist was supposed to go in and do the filling, and when he was drilling, I felt like and it was like I could tell that he was supposed to do it. I don't know exactly what happened, but the end result was that I had pain. My mouth felt like it was swelling, and I just figured it's because I just had a feeling. But I also noticed that I had tooth sensitivity to any cold or hot, and it just always had pain. And it started here, and then it just went, to like up in the upper area. And that was in December of 2018. Then January, I was in the drive-thru. I remember I was in the drive-thru at the Habit, and I was ordering some food. I was eating some Skittles, and the Skittles broke the back crown, and that crown had been repaired previously. I had one root canal, but they redid it another time, so it had some work, and they had redid that filling, or that crown, twice. So it was already done twice, and I was pre-told that if they had to do it again, who knows what could have happened. Well, because it had already been redone twice, there was no bone for them to just put the crown back on. And what they ended up having to do was do an implant. And the implant, when I got the estimate, it was $6,000. And I'm like, trying to think, how am I going to get $6,000? So I just went throughout the year of having an exposed, it was like an exposed tooth to where it was a crown, and it was a root canal that was left being exposed with no crown over it. And also that tooth at the very bottom. Well, those two things together, man, I'm telling you, that was the worst pain I had ever been in my life. And it was like subtle, but then other times it'd be really bad. And I remember the first time that I was at home sick because of the pain, vomiting and turned into migraines, and that lasted for about a year. And it did last for a year because it started in December, January of 2018, 2019, and then I finally just got it repaired 2 weeks ago. What they did is they did a tooth extraction. They extracted the roots, which the roots in your mouth, my roots are so big. They were like, I swear, I had 3 roots in the back that were about as big as my pinky nail. Huge. But also the tooth that was in there, it was no infection, but just the whole situation was just irritating, like all this. And I remember even my head, like before I had the acupuncture, my head on this side, I was honestly afraid that I had a brain tumor or just something, because I had just so much pain in this side of my head. And now, even when I touch it, it doesn't feel like it did. Like ever since I had the acupuncture that one day, literally, which was before the surgery, I noticed that there's a difference. So, yeah, and I'm just so thankful, honestly, to have my health and to not feel how I was feeling. And I say it was my prayer answered because I wasn't approved for the credit. I went and got a couple other estimates. I got another one for $3,000, one for $4,000, one for $5,000, and then one for $6,000. And I really trusted the dentist that I went to, only because of his recommendations and also the interaction that I had with him during the time of our consultation. So that was back in October when I went to the consultation, just to see if I could find it cheaper, because I had to get it taken care of, but I didn't have the money. And so I was like, what can I do? So I just went on and I said, okay, let me try to figure it out. Let me try to save. And I just was not able to save the money. But what I ended up doing was I paid off one credit card. After I thought about it, I said, okay, let me try again. And I went ahead and tried, and they ended up approving me. And I was like, okay. That was, I don't remember, like a little while ago, I was approved, maybe around Christmas time. Yeah, it was around Christmas time. So, make a long story short, I was approved. So, I made the appointment because it's really hard to be productive if you're sick. And my pain, I think what happened was my pain was so bad all week long, and when I'm working, I work Monday through Thursday, one job, and my other one on Friday, Saturday, and sometimes it was Sunday, but that's another story. I'll go back to that. But make a long story short, I had the surgery right away. I had no pain after the surgery. With my tooth, once my tooth has been fixed, which they ended up doing the implant and the filling over, I feel so much better. I was nervous. I will tell you that Sunday after the surgery, I was like, please let it work. And come to find out, sure enough, last Sunday I was finally able to enjoy the day. So I said, you know what? Friday, which was this past Friday, I uploaded a video. I was at work. And I said, I think about YouTube all the time because this is a place where I can be myself. Not saying I can't be myself in the other world, but I had an idea. I had an idea to start a blog. And I started the website comestylewithme.com in 2017. I launched it on my birthday. And I was so proud, and I have a vision of what I want that website to be, to where I can come on and I can show you guys my latest, outfit, inspiration, and, it's Come Style With Me. So I can share with the world some fashion and some style, personal style, and I'm inviting you to come share that with me. Well, I have my store up because I love, cute accessories, and whenever I find something, I collect them and I go ahead and share that with you guys. Okay, let me show you my shoes. But here's the worst part. Look. Shoe is a resemblance of my body and my physical well-being, of how freaking wore down I have been. I mean, even today, I'm still tired, but I feel better because my health has improved. So That's why I haven't been able to upload any videos to YouTube. But the worst thing is that I'm not working in the field that is my passion. But I'm finding those things that can help me to try to balance it out. And I love YouTube. You know, I really miss, and I said that in my other videos, I miss that creative expression. So I'm putting it back out there into the world to let the world know, and to let myself know also, that that's my number one goal and passion in life, is to do what I love doing, and that is to be a professional in the beauty and fashion industry. So the purpose of this video was to come on, say hi. Hopefully this video wasn't too long, but I really wanted to just let you guys know like some of those challenges that I was going through in life, and to overcome, and pray yourself through it. And God is there, and He answered that prayer for me. Not right when I asked Him to, but it was right on time, because there's no better moment than now and today. That's all we got. We got today. Yesterday was gone. Tomorrow's not promised. All we got is right now in this moment. And in this moment, I just want to say thank you so much for joining me on this video, watching this video. Hopefully you stuck around this long, and I hope that you liked it. And if you did, give that video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and you will see some new videos from me. I don't know when, but I'm hoping very soon. So yeah, it's going to be some great things ahead for all those who continue to press on, never give up, and always, always try to be better today than you were yesterday. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.